So, what's your name?
Spencer.
Spencer what?
Spencer Blyler McDonald.
And how old are you?
5.
School.
Common school.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Play.
Like where? What?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Do you like the snow?
Yeah.
Good.
More interesting.
Yes.
All right, so when you come,
I've been shuffling my feet,
There's Austin on the left and Callum
making
on the right.
payments on
There
some
we
long
go.
past due.
How you doing, guys?
This slice of life ain't cheap. I've been doing a little drinking. It don't tickle my bones.
What are you doing? What do you want to do?
What's a man to do